Kahit mag-around the world siya, marami siyang pera eh. Nananakaw.
Napakasikat pa ng ito na pinag-alak sa rin.
Gusto ko.
Siyempre eh, maglanganan eh.
I don't know what I choose
Magnanakaw mo eh.
to believe. I'm forgetting it to be driving safe. But I can't my own place. Have a heart that child forgot to wow. But now that I'm hiding in press, I'm ready to stay. I'm not hiding now. I'm shining like a
Kahiyan niya rin eh. Kasi madamay siya.
where dreaming heart
Eh, nahiyan na rin yung ano, ang anak ko. Kung siya magnanakaw, no? Yung may tao daw siya, magpaliwanag. Sagutin niya yung mga ito.
Gonna be,
Eh, nagtatago yun eh. Nagtatago yun eh. Hindi, pinoprotektahan niya, papatay na yun na kasi masisiwalat na rin. Masisiwalat na rin si Marcos. Parang Ninoy Aquino yan. Pagdapat ng aeroplano sa Aquino, makarilin na yan. Papatay yun kasi nalalaman. Kung sino mastermind.
No, you're gonna be golden. They don't go They don't go anything. So time knows. Don't lie that. Like and subscribe, share with me, and don't forget my likes. Bye. And thanks for YouTube and my content. Goodbye.